What if I told you there's a simple habit that could help you stay ahead of inflation without needing a huge salary, a complicated investment strategy, or extreme budgeting? Most people try to beat inflation by earning more. That helps, but there's another move that almost nobody talks about: automatically increasing the amount that you save and invest as your income rises. It's simple, but over time, it can completely change your financial position. For those of you that don't know, inflation is basically the silent increase in the cost of living. The groceries that cost $100 today might cost $105 or $110 later. Your rent can increase, and as we just saw when they closed the Strait of Hormuz, transportation can become more expensive when they increase gas prices. Services, insurance, and everyday purchases can all eat away at your purchasing power. And here's the problem: if your income increases by 5%, but your spending increases by 5% too, you may feel like you're making more money, but you're not necessarily getting ahead. And that's why today's habit is so powerful. I like to call it the raise your savings rate habit. Here's how it works: every time your income increases, don't immediately increase your lifestyle by the same amount. Instead, automatically direct a portion of that increase towards your savings or long term investments. For example, imagine you make $3,000 a month and you get a raise for $300. Instead of thinking, great, now I have another $300 to spend, try this. Put 150 out of the raise towards your financial future, then you can use the other 150 to improve your lifestyle. You still enjoy the raise, but you're also making sure that your future benefits from it. And that's the best part. You don't have to rely on willpower. Set up an automatic transfer so that the money moves before you have a chance to spend it. And here's why this works so well. This habit attacks inflation from two directions. First, you're protecting yourself from rising costs by building a larger financial cushion. Second, if you're investing that money in a diversified portfolio appropriate for your goals and risk tolerance, your money has the opportunity to grow over the long term rather than just sitting completely idle. And there's a psychological benefit too. When you increase your savings automatically, you adapt to your new spending level surprisingly quickly. Your lifestyle grows more slowly than your income. That's called lifestyle inflation. And avoiding it can be one of the most powerful financial habits you develop. If you want to make this ridiculously simple, try a 50-50 rule. Whenever you get a raise, bonus, or other increase in income, save or invest 50% of the increase. Spend the other 50%. So if your paycheck increases by $400 a month, keep $200 for yourself and direct $200 towards your financial goals. Over a year, that's $2,400 redirected from lifestyle inflation towards your future. And if your income continues to increase, the effect compounds. You don't have to become extremely frugal. You just have to make sure that your lifestyle doesn't consume every dollar of your progress. Now, this doesn't mean investing blindly or assuming that investments will always beat inflation. They won't. Markets go up and down, and every investment carries risk. And before aggressively investing, it makes sense to build an emergency fund and deal with high interest debt. The point isn't to find some magical investment that defeats inflation. The point is to create a system where your financial progress automatically increases whenever your income does. Think about your finances like a race. Inflation is constantly moving the finish line further away. If your income stays the same and your spending rises, you're running backward. But if your income grows and you constantly capture a part of that growth, you're changing the equation. You aren't just earning, you're keeping more of your progress. And that distinction matters because becoming financially secure isn't necessarily about having an enormous income. It's about what happens to the gap between what you earn and what you spend. If that gap keeps growing, your financial options grow with it. So here's your challenge. The next time your income increases, don't spend the entire increase. Decide in advance what percentage will go towards your savings or investments. Even if you start with 10%, then when the next raise comes, increase it. You don't need to completely change your lifestyle overnight. Just make sure your future gets a raise every time you do. Inflation may be outside of your control. Prices may rise. Markets may fluctuate. But what you can control is what you do with every additional dollar you earn. So don't let every raise become a bigger lifestyle. Turn part of it into financial freedom. And remember, you don't have to outrun inflation overnight. You just need to make sure that your money is moving in the right direction. And it's about that time. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.